Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a cornfield located in south central Wisconsin, where a 118 PTO horsepower white 120 tractor is chopping corn with a New Holland 790 forage harvester, filling H&S and Miller forage wagons. In this presentation, I would like to share with you the tractor's production history, specifications, and original price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear this corn harvesting action. The White 120 is one of 5 models in the 100 series of tractors that ranges from 92 to 185 PTO horsepower. They were manufactured by White New Idea in Charles City, Iowa, beginning in 1987. Production for the 100 series ended on March 25, 1988 in Charles City, and then the tractor line moved to Coldwater, Ohio, where production continued through model year 1989. The 120 is powered by a 5.9-liter, 359 cubic inch CDC Cummins turbocharged 6-cylinder liquid-cooled engine rated at 118 PTO horsepower. The tractor is fitted with a 68-gallon diesel fuel tank and features a 3x6 over-under partial power shift transmission with 18 forward and 6 reverse speeds, which allows it to travel from 1.7 all the way up to 19.6 miles per hour. When the 120 rolled off the assembly line as a 2-wheel drive model, it weighed in at 12,250 pounds. When an optional front wheel assist axle was added to the tractor, it increased the weight up to 13,350 pounds. The recommended operating weight of the tractor is 14,465 pounds, and it can be fully field weighted up to 15,325 pounds. When the White 120 tractor was new, it had a list price of $44,999 for the 2-wheel drive model. When the power front axle was added for 4-wheel drive traction, it increased the price by $8,000. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this white 120 tractor forage harvesting. I would like to hear in the comment section below the video if you use white farm equipment tractors on your farm. Tell me about the model that you're running and the implements that it operates. If you've appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.